Okay, it was a chilly afternoon for us as we saw more of those clouds in place and also a few snowflakes mixing in with the raindrops, but most of it has been light and now it's really beginning to come to an end for us. And as we head into the remainder of the night, we're expecting the clouds that we have in place currently to get out of here. We'll see more of those clear skies on the way for us and cooler temperatures will be around, but guess what? We do warm up quickly as we go on into the end of the work week. Your current conditions at 37 degrees, mostly cloudy skies, but very windy out there. 24 miles per hour for our current wind coming out of the north, really cooling things off for us. Seeing more of those upper 30s for us here as you go across the Marquette region. Farther to the west, 40 showing up for us into Ironwood at 46. 42 in Ontonagon, farther south, Florence and Menominee both at 45 degrees. And as we head off towards the east, you'll see more of those lower 40s in Munising and Manistee, upper 40s in St. Ignace, 45 in Escanaba, and sitting at 39 in Ishpeming. Now, winds right now coming out of the southeast, 17 in Houghton, 21 in Iron Mountain, and at 17 in Escanaba. So the entire region seeing those very gusty winds, and because of that, wind chills are falling down into the 20s and the 30s, 39 in Iron Mountain, at 38 in Escanaba, 40s and 50s as you head farther south in the state. Now look at our headlines. The clear and the chilly conditions will be in place as we head on into the evening. Now by tomorrow, we'll expect more of that sunshine to be back in the forecast. High temperatures topping off in the 50s and maybe even a few of us trying to reach our way into the 60s. And milder air, it continues to work its way on into the area as we head on to the end of the week. Maybe some of our locations getting closer to that 70-degree mark by Friday before another system comes in, getting closer to the weekend. Saturday and Sunday maybe a bit cooler, but it shouldn't be too bad for us, and we're not expecting anything quite as bad as what we're dealing with right now when it comes to the cooler air. But a look at our setup. Jet stream really beginning to dive farther to the south. A lot of the heavier showers and thunderstorms down into Indiana and Ohio, but we saw some of them earlier today, at least the showers here across the UP. But the jet stream, it will be building, and we will see more of that increase in temperatures as we'll have this ridge in the jet stream over the Great Lakes as we head on into tomorrow with this high pressure system moving its way on towards the east. A look at tomorrow though, that system will be along with the east coast. Here's our high pressure system just moving off to our south, but it looks like we'll see more of that northerly flow before things start to change a bit as we head into tomorrow night and definitely as we head on into Friday. A look at your futurecast model for tonight. Clouds and any type of moisture does decrease for us. Mostly clear skies, a bit cool. A few clouds off to our west as we head into tomorrow afternoon, but those won't be affecting us any bit. For tomorrow night, another quiet evening, and then Friday looks to be absolutely gorgeous for us as well, with maybe a passing cloud here and there. And then we'll be watching out Friday night on into our Saturday for this feature to come in, providing some light showers for the region. It gets out of here quickly. Saturday afternoon should be okay for us. It looks like most of us will come in as we head into Friday night and early Saturday morning, and then on into Sunday, expecting a nice day also. Tonight we'll drop down to 30 degrees, clearer and colder with winds out of the north between 5 to 10, so wind chills throughout the evening will be in the 20s throughout the entire night for us. Heading on into your Thursday, warmer with more of that sunshine on the way for us. Winds out of the north-northeast between 5 to 10 miles per hour, so not quite as breezy. High temperatures, look at that, 60s everywhere. 62 in Lawrence, at 69 in Ontonagon, and getting closer to that 70-degree mark as well in Crystal Falls, Florence, and in Iron Mountain. Upper 50s in Munising, at 60 degrees in Manistee, and topping off at 60 in Escanaba. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. 60s on Thursday. Hey, we'll be approaching that 80-degree mark possibly as we head into Friday, as we'll top off at 76 degrees. Also seeing a few more of those clouds Saturday as that system will be just pulling out of here. Once again, we'll be watching for maybe some showers as we head into Friday night and early Saturday morning. Your Mother's Day, probably not the best. Only a high of 50 degrees, so not too bad for us, but we are expecting some sunshine to be in the forecast for us there. But we do warm up afterwards. Monday, Tuesday, back into the 60s, and then maybe a cooler day as we head into next Wednesday.